how training data works and why our Uber data wouldn't. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're continuing on with our Sklearn series, and we're going to be really focused on our data set now. So, all right, so I mentioned why our Uber data set wasn't going to be working at this time. So, all right, the way that the training information works and the way that data sets work to learn, it's just like everything else. You have to give it input and then tell it what the result would be. So with our Uber data, there was no results or target. So let's kind of look at this. So we have our actual data set, our entire data set as data, and it's dictionary like. It has its own name. We'll delve more into that. But what I really want to talk about is, let's look at data and our target. So data. You can pull it up as a dictionary in a bracket or as a dot notation. So the reason why our Uber data wasn't going to work is because we were going to have to teach it something. So the target. So let's look at this. So here's each individual measurement of the flower, and data dot target. Here are the results. So basically, our first third, they're broken down into thirds. So we have three types of, and then let's target underscore name, I believe. Okay, it's not that. Names. Let's put an S on it. Here we go. So here are our three types. So it's index 0, index 1, index 2. So the way that this is going to be working, and we'll look into our training model next video, and as we've been doing, we've been outputting. My goal is to have 3 videos a week. I don't think I can do more than that, and we do have a large amount of content, so it's probably a pretty good no numbers, but I digress. So for each, there we go, and data. So the first third are this flower, and it learns that. Then our next third is that flower, wherever index 33 is, and then so on. I guess there's 100, so one of them has 34. We can delve into that, but we have to give it information and then give it an answer. So this is why this data set is quote unquote better, because we would need to more than likely assign a target, or when we get very advanced, we would need to do a unsupervised machine learning, and that would be an all-out marathon or a sprint. I don't know which it would be, but way further down the path than where we need to be. So because what I really want to learn and focus on next is we then break up the data into training and testing. And there are a variety of ways to do that. But right now, we need to talk about SVM, I believe. We'll talk more about that in probably the second or third video after this. But I really wanted to just take a minute, and because we're going to split this up because this is going to be our X, and our target or our result will be our Y. So there we go. All right, real quick video today. And as always, guys, please drop any comments, questions, video requests. Make sure you're jumping over to the Discord server. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.